Well, I hope Rowan Dean is going to be able to think on his feet here, because just come in from Britain is a decision by the UK Supreme Court. It's a landmark judgment on how a woman should be defined in law. And what it says is, it's talking about transgender women, should they be included or not? What it says is biological women. The law, a woman under the law is a biological woman. Unanimous decision. This is going to really upset, as you can see from the reactions already, it's upsetting the transgender lobby, but that is the judgment. It says, oh, this is not a victory from one side or the other, because you still can't discriminate or hurt women or men identifying as women, transgender women. You can't do that, but a woman is a woman. How about that? Isn't it amazing? You need a judgment from a court in 2025 to say what people have known for absolutely centuries, millennia. Anyway, joining me is Rowan Dean, Editor-in-Chief of The Spectator Australia, host of Outsiders on every Sunday on this station at 9 a.m, great show, as well as his own show on Fridays at the same time that I have mine, Monday to Thursday, 7 o'clock, so catch that too. Rowan, do I have to pick you up from the floor that a Supreme Court has said a woman is a woman?
Rather than thinking on my feet, I was going to say, you're going to have to, I've been knocked off my feet. I've been absolutely stunned. What a fantastic piece of news. And who'd have thought it out of ultra woke Britain? Now, just cast your mind back a couple of years ago, Andrew, even less. Even asking the question, what is a woman, sent bureaucrats, politicians, commentators into all sorts of acrobatics and twistings and turnings, trying to encompass the fantasies and delusions of the transgender community. Now the law has finally come down. The law only works, Andrew, if the law is based on common sense. We all know that. And all these legal shenanigans that, and there are many people in Australia, some, off the top of my head, well-known names who have been fighting various court cases over this very issue to one degree or another, about misgendering or the wrong name or the wrong sex or whatever it might be. And the reality is, Andrew, eventually we had to return to common sense. So this is terrific news.
Oh, we're going to be spared all those circumlocutions like, a woman is just a person with a uterus. I remember that one, Rowan. I haven't heard that for a while, though. A person with a uterus, or, all that joke. I remember the British Prime Minister having to try to define a woman by something like that, not wanting to. But now you can do it, and it's the law.